I am restoring my Cougar 68 car like this. 1. Engine overhaul. Rebuild or replace the engine, addressing issues like horn components, leaks, and compression loss. 2. Transmission service. Inspect, repair, or replace the transmission and clutch if needed. 3. Suspension and steering refresh. Replace worn bushings, ball joints, shocks, and steering. 4. Brake system upgrade. Replace brake pads, rotors, drums, shoes, and hoses. 5. Cooling system maintenance. Flush the radiator. 6. Exhaust system inspection. Replace damaged or rusted exhaust components for better performances. 7. Fuel system tune-up. 8. Electrical system check. Inspect wiring, connectors, and components. 9. Fluid changes. Replace engine oil, transmission fluid, brake fluid, and other fluids for optimal performance and longevity. 10. Testing and tuning. Test drive the car to ensure all systems function correctly.